Yes. So we were discussing about characteristics of income. We were discussing about characteristics of income. We discussed that income comes from regular and definite sources. Then we discussed about temporary income and permanent income. Now we were discussing about tax-free income. So what is tax-free income? Exempted category of income. So tax-free income is exempted category of income. So what and all comes? Agricultural income. Agricultural income is exempted category of income. Then ATC deductions. Any ATC deductions are again exempted category of income. Then National
Yes.
Pension Scheme. NPS. So National Pension Scheme is also what happens? It is again exempted category of income. Up to 50,000 is exempt in the case of National Pension Scheme. Then what else comes under exempted category of income? Whether long-term capital gain is exempt. Whether long-term capital gain is exempt. Whether it is
Long
exempt.
term means sir, like
So long-term means more than 1 year. More than 1 year. So if it is for longer duration, suppose if you are getting property inherited by your father, now you are the owner of that property. In that case, it
tax,
becomes a
we
long-term
pay tax.
capital gain. Whether it is taxable, whether there is any exemption.
Yes.
There's no exemption, I guess.
So there is no
There is
exemption,
tax,
but there
sir.
are certain sections.
No exemption.
But there are certain sections under section 52 to 55. There are exemptions. Exemptions are mentioned for long-term capital gain. So that also we need to see. Those exemption also comes under ATC. Then devaluation of currency, whether it is taxable. Devaluation of currency, whether it is taxable. Devaluation. What do you mean by devaluation of currency?
Devaluation.
Devaluation. What do you mean by devaluation?
No idea, sir.
So devaluation means decreasing the power of the money. Decreasing the power of the money means what? So recently there is a demonetization. Demonetization happened, right? 500 and 1000 rupees note.
Yes.
Yeah,
1,000.
yeah. It was banned. Then 2000 rupees note was
A
introduced.
ban.
Yeah. So similarly,
Integrated.
devaluation, whenever there is a devaluation, what happens? Inflation level automatically increases because purchasing power decreases.
Increases.
Yeah. What happens? So before
Yes.
for 100 rupees, you may get lot of rice, approximately 10 kilo of rice. But for now 100 rupees, you are getting only 2 to 3 kilos. Not 3 kilos, only
Yes.
2 kilos rice you are getting for 100 rupees. Before
Yes.
you may be getting of 10 kilo of rice, isn't it? For that paisa, there was paisa before that. Yes. So
Yeah,
after
25
that,
paisa and all.
yeah, income include losses also. Even if there is losses, it is taxed, isn't it? Negative income. Loss means what? Negative income. Negative income is also taxed. Do you know that? Negative income is also taxed. If there is negative
Tax.
income. Hmm? Because while calculating the heads, what happens? There are 5 heads: income from salary, house property, then profit from business, then capital gain and other source. So in profit and business, income from profit and business, suppose there is a loss in one particular year, then you need to show that amount, right? When there is a loss also, you need to show that amount for taxation purpose. So once you enter the amount for
Like
taxation purpose, yeah,
in which they'll show, sir, those.
while calculating GTI, gross total income. So if there is a negative
Okay.
income, you cannot state that as a zero. You need to show the figure. What is the loss? Suppose there is a 55,000 loss. You need to show that 55,000. So that 55,000 is later
Okay.
gets deducted. So negative income also here, what happens? It is taxed as per the rule. That means losses also taxed. Same income cannot be taxed twice.
Tax.
Yes, that we discussed. Then income should be real, not fictional. What do you mean by this? Income should be real, not fictional. Real income, not
The
fictional means
money should fall into the account.
Yeah, fictional means you are but expecting the money also comes under income, right? As per the definition, expected source of income.
But it's not confirmed yet.
Yeah. Hmm. So now here, fictional income means what? There is no clarity of whether you are going to get that income or not. There is no clarity whether you will get the income or not. So that is known as, are you getting sleep?
No, sir. I'm like alone first time, sir. Class. Attending
Alone.
class alone, all those.
So I am
Otherwise,
sitting here alone. No one is
no, sir.
there.
Others I'll be disturbing unmixed, sir.
Is it?
Yeah, sir. So that habit it has become, sir.
So this is the special circumstances. No one can help, isn't it? COVID-19.
Yeah,
So
sir.
I am
Like
watching you.
now,
I
today I
kept a
was
one eye
outside,
on
sir,
you.
whole day.
Huh? What?
Whole day I was outside, sir.
Uh-huh.
So, like, I had registration today.
Oh. Registration of what?
So, plans.
Oh. So now, next. Mere production of commodity does not amount to income. Only production of commodity does not amount to income means you have purchased the commodity to sell. Suppose you have ordered lot of TVs. Suppose you are selling TVs. You have ordered the lots of lot like 100 TVs you have ordered to sell. So that doesn't amount to income. Only when that TVs are sold, then it
Sold.
becomes income. So that is the meaning here. Then after that there is source of income need not exist in the assessment year. That means what? Previous year income is taxed in the assessment year, isn't it? What is assessment year? What is assessment year? The year in which income
The
is taxed.
financial year.
Assessment year means the year in which income is taxed. What is previous year? Suppose 2019-20. Let us take one example. 2019-20 is your previous year. So 2019-20's income will be taxed in which year? Which year it will be taxed? This year income, which year it will be taxed? Which year it will be taxed?
Next
This year's
year.
Next
income
year.
for,
Next year it will be
this
taxed. So
2021.
20 and
Yeah.
21. So 20 and 21 will be your assessment year. In 20 and 21, you are
Yes, sir.
taxing the income of 19 and 20. That is previous year. So that is the
Yeah.
reason. So previous
Yeah.
year income may not exist in the assessment year. That means last year you may be getting lot of profit. This year there is no profit because of Corona. So what happened?
Yeah, sir. Today we had faced a problem, sir, because of that.
What problem?
Corona has
Like,
done a lot.
my dad's IT return, sir. We
Ah.
had taken, so it was like before it was more, sir. This time, my dad, like last time, my dad claimed very less because
Uh-huh.
of this that land down. It was real estate.
Oh, oh, oh,
He claimed very less, like 1,90,000 something. He had claimed, sir.
oh, oh, oh.
IT returns.
Oh.
So today we had gone for like to take a loan for the car.
Uh-huh.
So they're like, no, it should be more than 3 lakhs. Without that, we can't give. We are not eligible.
Yeah, yeah.
So
They will put certain conditions.
yeah,
Yeah. So
yeah.
mm,
So today they said to new one
mhm.
to file. They said us to file.
Yeah. What to do? Compulsory
Yeah.
measures. So now,
Yeah.
yeah. Now next one. Next one is pin money. What do you mean by pin money? Pin money means what? Pin money given by husband to wife. Pin
Yeah.
money given by husband to wife for some household
Limited.
expenses. Household expenses. Suppose husband earns 50,000 as salary. He gives 25,000 as pin money. Example. I am telling example. 25,000 as pin money to wife. Whether that is taxable. Whether that is taxable
No.
in the hands of
No.
wife.
No.
No. Why? Because it is given for her expenses. Her expenses. That is why it is not taxable in the hands of wife. So that is pin money received by wife for her dresses, personal expenses, and small saving made by a woman out of the money received for her husband for household expenses is not treated as her income. See that this is important point. Then next one, if the item not treated as income originally, later it cannot be treated as income. So that is one more thing. What do you mean by this? First, it is not considered as income. Then, if it is not considered as income at the beginning, then later onwards you cannot claim it as income. That is the rule. That is the rule. So what do you mean by that?
So the video got stuck at the moment, sir.
Whether it is stuck, whether it is visible
It
now,
was for some time.
Now,
whether it is visible. Whether it is visible.
now, yes, sir.
Now it's visible.
Yes.
Now it's
So
visible.
there is very less connectivity here. Yeah. If an income not treated as income
see.
originally, later it cannot be treated as income. Next thing in the next class we need to discuss about SSC and all. So today we discussed all the features of income. So what and all features? See, this question
Income.
comes for 12 marks. 12 marks question. This is 100 mark paper. So 8 mark question. 8 mark question it comes, or else for 16 mark also they ask with combined question. Characteristics of income. Define income and explain its characteristics. There are 20 points given in the textbook. So I have taken all the points. So you need to explain it in your own words of this. So yes, in the next class we'll discuss some more topics. So I need to stop the recording first. So I will stop the recording.